Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on Moonpay or how you can sign up or create your account here on Moonpay. So in the first step, you need to download and install the Moonpay application on your device. For that, you need to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Moonpay. Once you are able to find the application, you need to simply download and install it in your device. Once it is done, you need to launch the Moonpay application. Then you are going to see this type of home page in front of you. Over here, you can create your account on Moonpay with the help of your email address, or you can directly select your Apple ID or your Google account in order to sign in. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be tapping on the Google option. Then it is going to show you all of your email addresses that are basically available in your device. So you need to choose the one which you want to basically use in order to create your account here on Moonpay. Afterwards, it will take some time and show you this type of terms and conditions section. So you need to agree to these terms and conditions, then press continue here in the bottom. So after waiting for a moment, you will be redirected here on the dashboard of Moonpay. This way you will be able to create and set up your Moonpay account very easily. Now if you want to know how you can get started with Moonpay, how you can start using it, you can just check out the videos on the same topic on my channel. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.